Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, editor-in-chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. Taking the Charger up to our friends at Tommy's Auto and Machine. Gonna go pick up an old crankshaft that I had left there. And I thought I'd take the Charger, say hi to the guys, maybe see if we can't get a little bit of a walk around and take you on a little bit of a cruise. It's gonna be something kind of short, something kind of fun. And for you guys who've never been through Middle Tennessee, why not do it in a 69 Charger? We'll take you along with us. Purple Barracuda. Someone's got a Mopar. Auto and Machine.
70 model GTX.
70 GTX?
Yes.
Okay.
Original 4-speed car.
Wow. So anything special besides the looks like a CVF.
CVF drive.
CVF
yes.
front drive. Boy, he's got everything on that. Yeah. Woo! Look at that tiny little AC.
Oh yeah, but that's the way they work, man.
That's the way it goes, man. You don't need a lot.
Yeah.
My goodness.
So stock crank, stock rods. We put a set of forged pistons in it. Basically stock heads. We did upgrade to rocker shafts.
Okay.
It's a driver.
Good.
You know,
nothing too wild. He wants to enjoy it. He wants to be able
to make somewhere around 500 horsepower.
There you go. It's a good street runner.
Like I say, it's not a race motor.
No.
So,
but that's great.
The guy that's doing the body work's a good friend of ours.
Oh yeah.
He helped us. He's the one that brought the motor to us, and then the guy that was putting the motor in, Frank can pull it out, but the guy putting the motor in got built by a spider and ended up in the hospital.
Oh my goodness.
Like a week or so.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a heck of a spider bite.
Yeah.
Was the spider in the car?
No, actually it was underneath his house.
Oh no.
He thought maybe it was a black.
Tom, how long has Tommy's Auto and Machine been around?
Since October of 1981.
81. October 81.
Yeah.
God, I love the smell of a machine shop.
Got a little stroker Cleveland.
There you go.
That's actually just a standard 350 little bracket race engine. We've got a 400 Pontiac in here. Kind of got to get it finished.
Clean room. Ooh, that's pretty.
Okay. An all aluminum.
What's the
408 going in a street rod.
What's the 400 going in? You know?
67 GTO.
67. Nice.
It's actually got a 3-deuce set up, but we're going to break the cam and everything in with a single 4-barrel.
Yeah.
So.
There's a dyno room back in there?
Yeah.
I don't want to take too much of your day, but.
There's nothing on it.
That's okay. Race gas. Here we go. Well, we'll definitely we got to bring the 500, and I don't know what your schedule looks like. Do you have specific days for dyno days?
A lot of times we try for the weekends.
Okay.
We bought got a brand new seat and guide machine.
Oh, yeah, you do.
So, we have the ability to...
Boy.
We have the ability to machine two heads with one setup.
Yeah.
Which should...
Well, that's a nice piece.
It is.
That's a real nice piece.
So,
Tell you what, having the right tools
it makes all the difference,
makes all the difference
in the world. It really does. Walk around.
Oh, well, thank you, sir. Here's where the dirty work's done. Ooh. Oh boy.
They don't do a lot, but you know.
Oh, here we go. More LS. More Mopar. That's it. Okay, and you can see that line. That's our freeze crack. All right. Now, for the guy willing to spend the money, what would go into? Can you even repair that?
Yes.
Okay. What would it? What's the process when it comes to repairing something like that?
Our process would be pinning.
Okay.
We have tapered cast iron plugs, and you drill, kind of like a pipe plug.
Okay.
So you drill it, tap it, put the plug in.
Okay.
You get past the end of the crack. So
And that's where you drill it in, is right at the end.
You get it to the end, and then you work your way back.
Okay. And you would just plug it all the way down?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's time consuming.
It is time consuming.
There's people who can weld it, but to weld it correctly
You're right.
is...
That's quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, oh no, I don't want to fill it up with cement.
No. Yeah. Now, back in the day,
Yeah.
when you could go to a junkyard and pick these up everywhere,
Hey, pull it out of a station wagon, pull it out of a truck, you'd be good.
You wouldn't have fixed it.
Yeah, you blink, you
But
could,
now,
yeah, it's getting a little tough. Yeah, well, I try to put miles on it as much as I can, so. But
Easy miles or hard miles?
buried in here is our cast crank that we're not going to be using on the engine block. That is cracked, so we'll find another home for that one. It's not a nice forged steel one, but cranks are cranks. Don't want to get rid of it.
What do you say, Mr. Tommy?
Alan, man, it's just kind of like Mopar heaven around here right now.
We hang out any longer.
It's better than Christmas. It's better than
Ooh,
Christmas.
it's got the brass rims.
Yep.
Those are good looking. Take those things off.
What about the 170?
Yeah. Woo!
Stupid money, buddy, man.
See what happens when you bring hot cars to machine shops?
It's insane, I can tell you that. Batteries, no. Batteries in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. The bumper guards. Are you going that's going to leave them on, or are you going to take them off?
Them are coming off.
You know,
Okay.
keep
See,
those
there's
bananas, right?
There's a lot of guys that want to leave them on.
Oh, good Lord.
It looks like an afterthought.
Well, Tommy, I got to apologize. I feel like I shut down production for for a half an hour by showing up. Well, we picked up the crank, got to hang out with Tommy and the guys at Tommy's Auto and Machine, and we got to check out a really cool Redeye, an actual 2023 Redeye Challenger. So that was pretty cool, and something you don't see a lot, and especially given it's the last year. So we're pretty excited for that. Got a few more stops, and we'll just rack up some miles on the big old 535. Can't say no to that, right? The only thing I can't pass up, a gas station. For you guys in California, that's what we're paying here in Tennessee for super. I mean, how could I pass this up, guys? Would you pass this up? You wouldn't pass this up. Neither am I. Put my giant fireworks in here. Crank moved a little bit. That's good. We'll take surface streets all the way home. Giving the Charger a little treat. Race gas. Oop. Making a mess. I don't want that on the paint. Here we go. I'm Kevin Shaw, and you've been watching Mopar Connection Magazine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and maybe share it with your friends. It'll definitely help us grow the channel. And if you want more awesome Mopar content, please check us out over at www.moparconnectionmagazine.com, where new articles are written and published every day, entirely subscription free to you, Monday through Friday. We'll see you there.